आजको दिन हामीले नेपालको धरतीमा भ्याक्सिन उतार्न सफल भयौं। यसको लागि म भारत सरकार, प्रधानमन्त्री माननीय नरेन्द्र मोदीज्यू र भारतीय जनतालाई नेपाल सरकारको तर्फबाट, हाम्रा प्रधानमन्त्री सम्माननीय केपी शर्मा ओलीजीको तर्फबाट र नेपाली जनताको तर्फबाट म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु, आभार प्रकट गर्न चाहन्छु। र विशेष गरी म महामहिम राजदूत महोदयलाई विशेष धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। उहाँको प्रयास नभएको भए भ्याक्सिन अलिक पछि आउन सक्थ्यो, तर उहाँको प्रयासले गर्दाखेरि हामी आजैको दिन यस धरतीमा भ्याक्सिन उतार्न सफल भयौं। यस भ्याक्सिनको न्यायपूर्ण ढंगले सदुपयोग हुनेछ। हाम्रा स्वास्थ्यकर्मी, चिकित्साकर्मी, सफाईकर्मी र अग्रपंक्तिमा खटेका हाम्रा सुरक्षाका जवानहरूलाई पहिलो प्राथमिकतामा यो खोपको लाभ उहाँहरूलाई दिइनेछ। जो अहिलेसम्म यस युद्धमा लड्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो, उहाँहरू योद्धा हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँहरूलाई म नमन गर्दै र जुन भारत सरकारबाट प्राप्त यो उपहार छ, यो उपहार उहाँहरूलाई नै म सुम्पिन चाहन्छु। साथै नेपाल भारत सम्बन्धको विषयमा धेरै भन्नु परेन, एउटा कुरा म भन्नै पर्ने भएको छ। हाम्रो सम्बन्ध खुला सिमानाले धेरै निर्धारित गर्छ। मैले ठट्टामा पनि महामहिम राजदूतलाई भनेको थिएँ, तपाईहरुले मात्रै सुरक्षित भएर तपाईहरु सुरक्षित हुनुहुन्न, हामी यहाँबाट लगेर कोरोना दिएर फर्किहाल्छौं फेरि। त्यसकारणले सँगसँगै यदि गइएन भने यस विरुद्धको युद्धमा हामी संयुक्त रूपले सफल हुन सक्दैनौं। र यसको लागि म फेरि पनि भन्छु, म कृतज्ञ छु। एउटा कुरा अर्को पनि के हो भने, केही सम्बन्धहरू यस्ता हुन्छन् जो कुनै राजा महाराजा, कुनै मन्त्री प्रधानमन्त्री, कुनै राजदूत मन्त्रीले बनाएको हुँदैन, त्यो जनताले बनाएका हुन्छन्। हाम्रो सम्बन्ध जनताले बनाएको सम्बन्ध हो र त्यसैलाई हृदयंगम गरिकन जुन भारत सरकारले सहयोग उपहारको रूपमा जुन प्रदान गरेको छ, त्यो जनस्तरको सम्बन्धलाई यसले प्रतिबिम्बित गर्दछ। भ्याक्सिनमा संसारका सबैको पहुँच हुनुपर्छ भन्ने मान्यताका साथ अल्प विकसित देशहरूको पनि उत्तिकै पहुँच हुनुपर्छ भन्ने मान्यताका साथ पुरै मानवताले काम गर्नुपर्ने अवस्था आएको छ। र यस सन्दर्भमा भारत सरकारले जुन आफ्ना छिमेकीहरूसँगको यो सहकार्यलाई अगाडि बढायो, त्यसको लागि हामी उच्च प्रशंसा गर्छौं, उच्च मूल्याङ्कन पनि गर्छौं। र यसको सदुपयोग हामी केही दिनमा, हप्ता 10 दिनबाट नै सुरु गर्छौं। हामीले प्राथमिकता भनिसकेका छौं र साथै तपाईहरुले, आयोजकहरूले ठिक गर्नुभयो। हामीलाई दक्षिणतिर फर्काएर, हाम्रो शास्त्र अनुसार दक्षिणतिर फर्केर झुट बोल्न पाइँदैन। त्यसकारणले महामहिम राजदूत पनि दक्षिणतिरै फर्किनु भएको छ, म पनि दक्षिणतिरै फर्केर जे वचन हामीले दिन्छौं त्यो झुट हुने वचन हुँदैन। त्यो हाम्रो चाहिँ सनातन मान्यता पनि त्यही हो। ठिक गर्नुभएको छ आयोजकले, जानेर हो कि नजानेर त ठिकै काम गर्नुभएको हो। झनै 40 लाख थप भ्याक्सिनको हामी अत्यन्त आवश्यकतामा हामीले महसुस गरिरहेका छौं। र यो भ्याक्सिन खोप अभियानको अन्त्य हुनुभन्दा अगाडि हामीले त्यसलाई ल्याइसक्नु पर्ने अवस्था चाहिँ हाम्रो अगाडि छ। त्यसबाहेक अन्य जुन हाम्रा प्राथमिकताका क्षेत्रहरू छन्, जनसङ्ख्या छ, त्यसलाई हामीले भ्याक्सिन यो खोपको अभियानमा हामी उहाँहरूलाई पनि समावेश गर्नेछौं। साथै म यो पनि भन्न चाहन्छु कि नेपाल सरकारले आधारभूत जनसङ्ख्याको लागि निशुल्कमै खोप उपलब्ध गराउने प्रतिबद्धता व्यक्त गरेको छ र त्यो कायम छ र त्यो रहनेछ। अन्त्यमा म धेरै समय नलिकन पत्रकार साथीहरू सहित यहाँ उपस्थित सबैलाई म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। र विशेष गरी महामहिम राजदूत महोदय जो भारत सरकारको प्रतिनिधि, भारतीय जनताको प्रतिनिधिको रूपमा यहाँ उपस्थित हुनुभएको छ, उहाँलाई विशेष धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। र आगामी दिनमा हामीले यो अभियानलाई सफलतापूर्वक सञ्चालन गर्नेछौँ र पछि आवश्यकता अनुसार हामी यो खरिद प्रक्रियालाई, उपहार हो यो चाहिँ, अब हामी खरिद प्रक्रियामा अगाडि बढ्छौँ। पारदर्शी ढङ्गले हामी खरिद प्रक्रियाले अगाडि बढाउँछौँ र त्यसमा पनि हामीलाई भारत सरकार, भारतीय राजदूत महोदयको सहयोगको आवश्यकता पर्नेछ। भ्याक्सिन उतार्न सफल भयौँ र केही दिनपछि हामीले यो खोप अभियानलाई सफलतापूर्वक न्यायपूर्ण ढङ्गले हामीले सञ्चालन गर्नेछौँ, जहाँ जुन पहिलो हामीले प्राथमिकता भनि नै सकेका छौँ, दोस्रो प्राथमिकता, तेस्रो प्राथमिकता सरकारले घोषणा गरिसकेको छ र यसमा पनि पत्रकार साथीहरूलाई मेरो आग्रह के छ भने यहाँहरूको अत्यन्त महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदान छ। यस विषयमा जनतालाई सूचित गर्ने विषयमा, जनतालाई सही सूचना सम्प्रेषण गर्ने विषयमा यहाँहरूको सहयोग, यहाँहरूको चाहिँ सदा चाहिँ सहयोग रहनेछ भने यहाँहरूलाई पनि म भन्न चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद। नेपाल भारत मित्रता अमर रहोस्।
For handing over 1 million doses of vaccination to Nepal as a gift on behalf of the Government of India and on behalf of Right Honorable Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India, for his friendship and, as he says, neighborhood first. He implemented. The gifts are exchanged most often among the peoples, among the leaders, among the nations as well. But all the time, all the gifts are not equally important. Though the gifts are never less important, always they are important. They reflect the respect and love and friendship. But sometimes the gifts are more than the level of importance. And this gift, now given by, presented by India to Nepal, gives a special meaning. In this special juncture, when we are fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic, in this occasion, I would like to thank the Serum India Institute for getting success to find this vaccine and develop this vaccine, and also the scientists, researchers and other entire people who were involved in this wonderful success. I would like to praise their work and admire them for their success. I take this as the symbol of our friendship. Our friendship is, in fact, a unique one. Which reflected during the fight when all of us were fighting, and particularly we felt when we were fighting, Nepali people were fighting, Nepali government was fighting against the pandemic. And we worked together when the coronavirus appeared, and it appeared in the South Asia as well. Since then, the time was very hard. It was unknown disease. It was already new. Nobody was experienced. Nobody had any knowledge and know how to fight against it. We had to invent the methods and methodology of the fighting style, fighting method against this pandemic. Being a transmitted disease, we said that masks will be useful. Similarly, social distance will be useful if we maintain that. And remaining clean is another factor. Using hot water, etc. is another. And using our herbal medicine is fruitful. Yoga and other exercises are also instrumental and helpful to fight against this pandemic. In this entire duration, social life was disturbed. Industries and other things, tourism was disturbed. And economy was seriously damaged and disturbed. Even then, because of India's friendly attitude, our supply system was not disturbed. Our consuming goods, we had not to face any difficulty. Although sometimes during this period, some zigzag appeared between our two neighbors, because we are neighbors, so sometimes such things appear too. But it proves that we are able to resolve all these things, all these problems, if they appear too. And such things, if somewhere some problems appear, then we should not spread them in other areas and other fields. So we confine them in their limits, and we try to tackle them in isolated form, and we did that. We did, and in fact, our entire relationship was very good, very excellent, and we resumed again very normally our friendship. And today we are in this stage that India and Your Excellency handed over 1 million doses of vaccine today. This is a good beginning. And Excellency, I want to tell you, and through you, to the government of India and my dear friend Modi ji as well. We need more vaccine. And it's good that when India was rolling vaccination to its people and immediately handed over to Nepal also at the same time. It's a good gesture, and we are happy for that. And we believe that we need more vaccination, and India can provide us. We accept any terms, conditions, because there are ways, different ways how to get. We can get. We cannot hope always gifts. What else? If our friends again want to send us gifts, then that's okay. If not, we are ready to buy. So there are different procedures to buy the vaccine, and we are ready to accept any procedure. I believe that this will start with a new enthusiasm and In fact, we can declare that this is the beginning of end of this pandemic, because now we have vaccine. And at the people who are working, to the people who are working in the front line, we provide first to them, to the health workers, doctors, nurses, similarly security personnel, old age people, etc. for the first. And second time we will provide to all others. First, we want to provide for 20%. That is, we need more, 14.3 million doses. So first a little bit larger volume. I believe that India will be ready to supply us this necessary more vaccines. Again, Excellency, I would like to thank you very much for handing over me this time, handing over to Nepal the 1 million doses of vaccine. And again, I would like to thank from my heart to the government of India, and particularly